Hey everyone, how's it going? So, time for an unboxing. Massive unboxing. Got a lot of stuff, as you can see. So we're going to be unboxing all of it, well, kind of all of it. There's other stuff coming later on during the week. So yeah. We're going to be doing this, alright? So, Industrial Gaming Mega Unboxing Mass Effect Edition. So, got my little sissy scissors here. Sorry, I left my Omni tool on the ship. Let's see. Let's start with the small package, not the big package. We'll do that last. So yeah, this is all the stuff I ordered from Amazon. Stuff coming in the future. You guys should be excited about. I feel like I should adjust the tripod. Hold on. Let me make this a little bit taller. See how unprofessional this whole video is. Almost done. Alright. That works well. Now that works. Alright, so it's pretty much just ready to go. Hold on. Alright, so let's see what package number. Ooh, wow. I am actually surprised. I didn't think it'd get here this quick. This is the official PlayStation 3 Bluetooth headset 2.0. Why did I buy one? Well, because my old Bluetooth. It's my old Bluetooth. I forgot the name of it. It's an old Motorola Bluetooth, right? It's cracking. It's crapping out. It's old. It's like 5 years old. I need to get another one. And PlayStation's having a big sale on all their accessories. You can get them, like, some accessories are like 50% off. So I was able to get this headset for $35 with free shipping. So, unbox that just in a bit. Get your little sacks of air here. Dispose of that. Seconds. Should be two things in here that I'm thinking about. Hold on. Two things, yep. Two things. Alright, so here's my wireless network adapter for the Xbox 360. I have the regular white one that was only available. Then they made the wireless and network adapter, and yeah, I need this because I bought a wireless and router at the other house, you know, finally, because the internet was crapping out. So I bought a new router, but then my network adapter was only a G and B network, so I had to get a new, you know, a new network adapter. So this is a wireless and network. I'll be unboxing this later on in the future, so we're just going to leave that over there. And then second in this package should be my converter box, so I can use my cash card for my PS3. Yep, here it is. It's pretty small, as you can see. Not that big at all. So now I can record gameplay from my PS3 because I play off my computer monitor. So this will be helpful. Videos of live commentary coming this week. I'll discuss more in the channel update. But there's that. Finally, with the rest of the stuff. Finally, the big stuff. All right. What is in this box? Well, I kind of told you guys in a couple of videos what I had planned during this whole month. Pretty special, so sorry. Alright, hold on. Prepare yourself for this awesome thing. Let's clean that up now. I present to you all my new project that I'm doing. I'm building a game PC, and this is my computer case. This is the Cooler Master Storm Enforcer. Was looking everywhere around this. I went to Fry's Electronics, tried searching for this, seeing, you know, where it was, and I couldn't find it, you know. Basically, what Cooler Master did is they discontinued this, and they started just bringing out newer models. But I love the design of this case so much that I was just like, no. Okay, I want this one, so I'm going to go online. I was able to order it online, and it's here. So, that was basically what I got. I'll unbox this later because once I get all the other parts for the computer, I'm going to do like a massive video of how to build your own gaming PC, which I think a lot of people will like. But I'm going to be doing that. So that's when you'll actually see what's in here. But as you can see, I mean, look, the case is a beauty. It is definitely a beauty. See that? That whole door right there, this well, I'm sorry, this whole, see how there's a fan on the bottom and then it just kind of shifts down like that, these little vents? That actually opens. This is a door and it opens and it reveals your disc tray, and also has a thing on a little window right there on the side, which I was looking for. But yeah, they discontinued that model and I wanted it so much, so, you know, I had to order it online. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Now we're going to be unboxing, I guess, let's just do the PS3 Bluetooth headset. And I cut myself. You need this to communicate with your friends during the battle when the Reapers come. Okay. Got your manual, which basically tells you how to turn it on and nothing more. You got your cradle. Something I really like about this headset, it actually comes with a cradle. So I'm just going to have this stand somewhere and I'll just, you know, charge it through there. So that's what I really like about that headset. And then here it is. Here's the actual thing itself. Charge cable, which is incredibly short. Is it just? Yeah, it's just a mini USB, so no big deal. And then the actual Bluetooth itself, well, the earpiece. Alright. Yeah, it's pretty small. They look a lot bigger on the actual, commercial and stuff like that. When they show it on video, it looks a lot bigger, but it's really small. I mean, look, here's my finger, and here's the Bluetooth. So, I mean, it's very small. Love the design though. It's pretty simple. Hold on, here's a little earpiece, which goes, which way do I want it? That way. Just clips on here. Yeah, just clips on there. And I put it on the wrong way, or did I? I'm trying to... I don't know. Excuse my retardedness. And... You guys look good? At least it fits. My other Bluetooth, where did I put that one? This one. It was so uncomfortable. This was all rubber, the ear holder, holster, whatever you want to call that thing. It was all rubber, and as you can see, it broke off right here. Just, you know, because it was old and it was being used, and this thing was like getting damaged. A lot of people, I was talking to them, they couldn't hear me, so I just said, okay, it's time to invest in a new headset. Boom. Alright, and then finally, I'll show you guys the actual converter box that I had to get for this thing. Alright. Yeah, that's how to connect it. So I play off my computer monitor. I use a DVI to HDMI, and then I have the optical audio output for the surround sound bar for my PlayStation 3. And I bought a capture card, the AverMedia HD Game Capture, and my computer monitor doesn't have components output. So I needed to get something that would allow me to output it to HDMI, but have it input through a component. And here it is. So basically you plug in your component here. So I plug in like the capture card cables here, and then I'd have the HDMI going, that's into my PS3, I plug it in here. So I can just have that, you know, output. This is about $35, I think it was $30, $35. So That's good. Alright, so that's it. All this stuff was from Amazon. The network adapter for the 360 was $65. I think it was 60 actually. No, I think it was 55. They had a deal or something like that. I think it was 55. But 55, 55, 35, another 35, and then this was 90. Alright, so quite a big investment, but more videos to come on the game PC, you know. I'm going to show a whole video tutorial of how to build it, you know. I just gotta get the parts first. I'll probably go get the parts tomorrow maybe, and then I can start building it for this whole week. And then this weekend you guys will just be flooded with that, because I'm probably going to be testing this thing. Hoping to get some other games. Like right now I already have a couple PC games like Crisis and Batman. You know, there's a couple little PC games on there. So, but I'm also thinking about getting Syndicate on the PC, and you know, some other games that come. So, all right, I'm not gonna unbox this just yet because I'm gonna make a separate video for building it. But go watch that when it comes up later this week, and then we'll go on from there, right, guys? So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the little huge unboxing here. There was a lot of stuff, but yeah, all my stuff got here, everything. So I'm happy. All right, so I'm Industrial Gamer, and this is my favorite video on the Citadel. Thanks.